Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to my channel ChriskaYoga. In today's video, we will be doing a quick hamstring stretch. So this is a very fast 10-minute routine you can do if you are looking to increase the flexibility in your hamstrings, which are located in the back of your thighs. Before we get started, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below the video. It is free to subscribe and I would love to have you as a subscriber and as a part of this community. One more thing, for this class you will need a yoga strap and a yoga blanket, and the substitutions for those props are listed in the description box below this video. So if you're ready, grab your mat and let's get started. So we're going to come to lying down on the floor. Have your strap handy. From here, take your strap and then raise your right leg, placing the strap in the ball of your right foot. You can keep the left leg bent up as I have it here, or straighten it out onto the floor. From here, straighten the right leg up towards the ceiling, keeping the foot flexed. The strap is on the ball of your foot. Hold the strap evenly in both of your hands, and since this is the first pose of the class, your hamstrings might be a bit tight still, so feel free to keep your knee bent. You can bend it generously or however you need to. And just breathe here, hold the stretch, keep that bottom leg active and flexed, and just hold and breathe. Breathe into your hamstrings. Release your foot from the strap and switch sides. Bend the left leg, place the strap on the ball of your left foot. Either keep the right leg bent as I'm doing here, or straighten it out onto the ground, flexing the right foot. Straighten the left leg up towards the ceiling any amount. Hold the strap evenly in both of your hands. And just relax here. Feel free to keep a bend in your knee. Relax into your stretch and hold. Slowly bring your leg down, release your foot from the strap. And you can set your strap off to the side. We won't be using it anymore for this sequence. Make your way up to a seated position and then come around to your hands and your knees. From here, bring the right leg forward in between your hands, coming to a low lunge on the right, bringing the right knee directly above the right ankle. Have your hands on either side of your foot and look down. Look down towards the ground, keeping as much length in your spine as possible. The back knee is on the floor, and the back leg is on a diagonal. Send the hips down towards the ground. Breathe into your right hip socket, feeling a stretch in the hamstring on the right side. And once you find your pose here, hold and breathe. From here, we're going to shift our weight back onto the left leg, straightening the right leg, flex the right foot, and have the hands down to frame the right leg. Looking down, you should be feeling a stretch in the entire back of your right leg, including the hamstring. Looking down, breathe and hold. From here, bring the right leg back underneath your body and switch sides, coming to low lunge on the left, bringing the left knee directly above the left ankle, lunging forward into the left leg. The back leg is on a diagonal. Breathe into your left hip socket, feeling a gentle stretch in the left hamstrings, and hold here. From here, shift your weight back onto the right leg, straighten the left, feeling a stretch as you flex your left foot in the entire back of your left leg, especially in the hamstrings and glutes. And look down, have your hands framing the leg, and hold here. And from here, bring the leg underneath your body. And we'll come to our final pose, a seated position. So I have my blanket here. I'm going to come to sit on my blanket. So this is particularly good if you have tight hamstrings. So if we have tight hamstrings, we tend to round the spine when we sit on the floor. So this blanket will promote a forward tilt of your pelvis and a lengthening of the low back. So you can sit on the edge of the rounded edge of your blanket, and we'll straighten the legs out in front. Flex both of your feet. From here, take an inhale and lengthen your spine. And on an exhale, fold your torso over the legs, holding on to wherever you can today, your shins, your ankles, your feet, wherever you can reach today is totally fine. You should be feeling quite a deep stretch. Unless you're very flexible in the hamstrings, you should be feeling a deep stretch in the hamstrings and the whole back of your legs. So just look down wherever you are here. Remain here and breathe deeply. Slowly make your way up out of your forward fold. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this quick hamstring stretch. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know, what do you want me to stretch next? What part of your body are you interested in learning about how to stretch, how to gain more flexibility in? I would love to know. Leave them in the comments below. I always love to hear from you. Also, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I upload a new yoga class every week. Also, if you are interested in making yoga a real habit in your life, becoming a part of a supportive and kind yoga community online, having a real yoga plan and really living that yoga lifestyle, you can now join my new yoga membership site called My Yoga Habit. I will leave a link to join in the description box below and on the screen in the cards. I would love to have you as a part of this community as well. For even more yoga resources, check out my website, ChriskaYoga.com. And don't forget to also follow me over on Instagram at ChriskaYoga for yoga motivation and inspiration. Lots of updates on the Insta story. All of the links to everything that I mentioned and more are listed in the description box below this video. Thank you so much. See you next time.